don't buy Alama guitars. Because Alama guitars are expensive. It takes a minimum 2 months, maximum 4 months actually. Aabot pa nga ng 5 to 6 months. No, naranasan na namin yan. No? We promote usage of local sustainable material. No? We use all solid wood. So don't buy Alama guitars kasi ito yung mga ginagawa namin. No? And we are thinking outside the box kasi gumagamit rin kami ng coconut shell. How crazy. Totoo yan. Sinabihan talaga kami baliw pero in a good way naman. No? So, ayan. So, bakit nga ba coconut shell? So, again, no, it's part of promoting sustainability and abundance of material. And at the same time, to encourage, to promote more, yun nga, sustainability. Ano ba yung tinitignan natin 10 years after sa mga guitar builders? No? Are we part of those who are actually pursuing import woods na over time nagiging mas mahal kasi nagiging rare? Are we helping exactly on how the nature works? Can we encourage farmers to plant more of this kind of wood? Okay. Sa amin naman sa team ng Alama Guitars, we're doing our best na kaya namin i-provide the best way we could na makitang happy kayo dun sa worth ng pera, ng time. No, lalo na yung oras actually. Yung patient enough kayo na matapos yung gitaran nyo. Yun, sobrang priceless sa amin yun. Once you have the guitar, nakita namin happy kayo, nai-enjoy nyo yung yun yung nakita namin fulfillment, kinda ganun. Yun yung nakita naming advantage na connection namin with you. I mean, each Alama guitars are very, kahit hindi naman Alama guitar user, no, you are actually very welcome to send message. What do you think? Kung dun sa mga bagay na alam ko, dun ako nagbibigay ng mga opinion. Dun sa mga hindi, kailangan ko pa munang aralin. No? Hindi naman lahat alam ko na. So, marami pang kailangan aralin. No? So, ayan. Ginagawa namin talaga yung paraan to reach you out. Sir, nag-aalala ako sa mga ganito, sa mga ganyan. Ano ba yung pwedeng gawin? So, naglalaan kami ng mga oras sa ganun. And we are actually highly appreciate if any concerns na mafe-feel nyo, makikita nyo sa mga guitars nyo, don't hesitate to reach us out talaga. No? Message agad kayo. Ano ba yung pwedeng gawin dito? Ano ba yung solusyon natin? If it is really necessary to send it back here, do it. No? So, ganun. We are not making guitars talaga para lang matuha yung mga bulsa namin. I mean, it's really fulfilling na kayo mismo na nagpapagawa, nafe-feel nyo yung worth. No? Lalo na yung time pa lang, yun yung pag-build ng trust. No? It's not an easy way to think talaga for me na, uy, ba't ako bibili ng guitar sa Alama? Ko-custom pa yan. No? So, ano ba to? Ano ba yan? And then after all your research, you're convinced to go with, sobra na yan. I mean, sobrang appreciated na yan. And that's one thing that inspire us to continue to boost our knowledge, our skills, and even all the R&D which we think necessary to do para lang makater namin yung mga ganito, ganyan. So, ayun yung ginagawa namin. Saan ba napupunta yung mga perang pinopurchase ng mga client? Yan, nasa tao natin. Nasa mga R&D. Matulungan natin ma-establish pa, magiging more stable yung ating shop. So, ganun. To make a sustaining cash flow ng mga ganun. So, those who are actually working with business, alam niyo kung gaano kahirap, no? At the same time, running the business. Dealing with people, dealing with clients. So, pero priceless talaga sa amin pag nakita namin yung ngiti. Especially the time you spend with para makita kami dito, ma-experience nyo yung ambience namin dito sa shop. Priceless talaga yan. And we're thank you so much doon. Alam naman natin hindi lahat access dito. Pero the fact na nandyan kayong mga nanonood, alam naman natin siguro kaya kayo nanligaw dito sa page natin. No? If you are not confident with what we are doing, ano yung mga innovations natin, isa rin yun, i-add natin dito. Alama Guitars are kinda, yung team namin is thinking outside the box, no? If you are not confident dito sa mga output ng mga product natin, and if you are still hesitant, not convinced, no, take your time. Huwag ka munang bumili ng Alama Guitars. That we actually totally appreciate, dun sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta, bumibili, naniniwala sa kaya nating gawin, despite the fact na ito yung sinasabi natin ng mga concerns, nakikita nila kung ano yung kaya nating gawin, kung ano yung pwedeng nating gawin, at kung ano pa yung posible pa nating magawa. So, ayan. So, actually, sobrang appreciated. Lalo na yung tiwala nyo. So, it's more than enough, no? Nagbigay kaya ng down payment para masimulan, para mas reserve slots pa lang yan. Just imagine that. And how thankful we are na umabot kayo sa punto na kailangan yung maghintay despite the fact na meron namang readily available. We actually appreciate that. No? So, we are very thankful na kahit sinasabing mahal ang Alama Guitars, nandiyan pa rin kayo willing to buy, no? Kasi alam nyo, nakikita nyo na it's worth it. Hindi naman namin kayo pinipilit, no? But we are actually appreciating all the trust na binigay nyo sa amin. Kahit sinasabi natin mahal yung Alama Guitar. Kahit alam natin, we use all solid wood, pero nandiyan kayo, alam nyo, no? Naririnig nyo, nakikita nyo na solid wood, we exactly know why it is more expensive, why it is more sensitive. Yan. Sobrang appreciated. And sinusuportahan nyo yung sustainability na ginagawa natin. Every purchase na sinasabi nyo, sir, go with the coconut shell, go with the bindings, go with Jimelina. Sobra. Yung experience ko kasi nung nagsimula ako just to impose etong mga technology na to, etong material na to, pinagtatawanan pa tayo no? Kasi wala namang nakakagawa pa niyan masyado Ba't ka gagawa ng Jimelina? Ginagawang furnitures yan, ginagawang upuan yan, ginagawang panggatong yan, sobrang likot yan. Ano ba yung kaya mong gawin sa Jimelina? But then again, umabot tayo sa ganito. So, ayan. Kung nagpo-promote tayo ng local material, sustainability, sinusuportahan niyo yung mga coconut shell natin. Sobrang thankful, no? Kahit limited numbers of guitar lang tayo, kahit nasa 200 around guitars pa lang tayo, we are very thankful na sinusuportahan niyo kami, no? We are very thankful na nanonood kayo. Nakikita namin yung comments niyo, binabasa namin yung comments niyo na yung mga nakahawak ng mga guitars natin, the informations na na-share nila, kung ano yung na-share natin, and it passes dun sa mga fellow guitar enthusiasts, musicians. It's more than enough. Sa totoo lang, no? It's more than enough to say thank you. It's more than enough, no? The willingness to go patiently enough, nagbibigay tayo ng updates. Sir, ganito muna ngayon. And other than that, nagkakamali pa tayo. No, tao, nagkakamali. Sir, very, very sorry with these mistakes, ganito, ganyan. And most of you are actually willing to negotiate. Kung kaya ano ba yung pwede natin gawin, I'm still patient enough to wait. Wag mo lang madaliin. And that's more than enough for us to have, no? Despite the fact na gumagamit tayo ng coconut shell, new technologies yan. Merong mga hesitant. Kahit sinasabi natin na don't go if you are hesitant to purchase using this material, nandyan pa rin kayo. Kaya nga natin na ipagpatuloy ito kasi nakikita nyo na merong potential. Ayan. Nilaan nyo yung oras nyo, nilaan nyo yung pasensya nyo, nilaan nyo yung pera nyo. Yung pa lang, it's actually a priceless para sa amin. To be able for us to continue, the visions that what we are looking for. And we do believe also that each and every Filipino deserves a good quality guitars or any other things na kailangan natin, not just an hobby. And the reason na nakilala nyo ako, it's because of this. Man, wala ako dito kung wala rin kayo. So, lahat ng yan, no, pinagpatuloy natin. Lahat ng yan nagagawa natin dahil rin sa tulong nyo. Ay, kaya namin isukli, gagawin namin ang kaya namin gawin to improve the products, the services, and so on. Nakikita namin the main reason why you choose to buy na Alama guitars is dahil dun sa nakikita nyong quality. And kung ano man yung gagawin namin ng mga innovations, we make sure na hindi nako-compromise yung quality. So, again, it doesn't make any sense na sa amin na dinamihan nga namin, wala namang quality. So, ayan, wala na.